What's up YouTube? Professor Gadget here with 911 Reviews. Today we're going to look at another essential item for your photography kit if you want to take it up to the next level. The Godox X3 flash trigger. Now, if you're new to photography or even if you're an experienced natural light shooter, you might be wondering what exactly a wireless transmitter does, why you might need one in the first place, and why the X3 is a great choice. So stick around and let's find out. Alright, so why do you need a wireless trigger? Let's be clear, you can absolutely be a great photographer using nothing but natural light. I spent the bulk of my career shooting exclusively with natural light, but I'll tell you from experience that relying solely on the sun is incredibly constraining. It means you're forced to shoot mainly during the golden hours of early morning or late evening, and if you want to shoot midday, you've got to scout for locations with open shade for that nice soft lighting. But what if you want to take a photo outside of those ideal conditions? What if you want to shoot at midday in the harsh open sun or in a poorly lit room? Using a flash completely breaks your dependence on the sun or ambient lighting and gives you autonomy as a photographer. You finally control the light instead of the light controlling you. But I can already hear some of you asking, Professor Gadget, I still don't understand why I need a trigger. My camera already has a built-in flash. Well, to put it succinctly, having a built-in flash isn't going to cut it to get those professional-looking images. What you actually need is an off-camera flash. Built-in flashes, or even flashes mounted on your camera via the hot shoe, illuminate your subject straight on with harsh, unflattering light. To get real depth, dimension, and beautiful shadows, you need to change that geometry and physically separate the light from your camera. And that's exactly where the Godox X3 comes in. The moment that you take your flash off your camera, you lose that physical connection. You need a device to bridge that gap. And that's exactly what the X3 trigger does. So let's jump into the stats. This unit packs a ton of features into an incredibly small form factor. It's super tiny. The whole unit measures only 1.6 by 1.8 inches and weighs a mere 1.7 grams. Godox has eliminated the bulky, button-heavy form factor for an intuitive, high-contrast OLED touchscreen. Inside, it uses an 850 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, fully charges via USB-C in about 2 hours. Now get this, it delivers an incredible 6,600 flashes on a single charge. I've had this unit for almost a year, and I've literally charged it twice. Finally, it's fully integrated with the Godox wireless ecosystem, which makes pairing the trigger to your flash a breeze. Now let's take a closer look. To kick off our hands-on look, let's open up the box. Right off the bat, you'll notice that the presentation here is incredibly clean, and it comes with this high-quality zippered accessory pouch, which I really appreciate because I'm a little bit OCD about taking care of my gear. Once you pull out the trigger, the intuitive design is obvious the second you slide it onto your camera. Some other triggers rely on an awkward plastic wheel that you gotta crank down, but the Godox X3 has replaced that with a quick release mechanism. You just press this button and slide the trigger on your camera's hot shoe until it clicks. The X3 features Godox's new wireless sync feature. Just tap the wireless sync button on the X3 screen, hit the matching sync button on the flash, and the two units automatically sync. Super simple. That's it. We're on the same channel now. Now, once the trigger and the flash are talking to each other, selecting the power setting is incredibly straightforward. In manual mode, you just tap the power fraction, slide your finger across the display to instantly shift. Or, if you're shooting in TTL mode, the trigger automatically calculates your flash exposure based on your camera settings. Ultimately, any trigger is going to break your dependence on natural light and give you the autonomy to shoot whenever and wherever you want. But what sets apart the Godox X3 is just how many great features are packed into such a small form factor. From the moment you mount it on your camera, the intuitive engineering and high-contrast OLED touchscreen make it effortless. It does exactly what it was designed to do without getting in your way. And with a battery life of over 6,600 triggers, you're never going to worry about your gear dying on a shoot. I hope this review's been useful. and I'll see you in the next video.